Sanitation situation in some parts of Aflao in the Ketu South municipality, especially some of the beats and the beaches, as well as the various lorry parks, has been a major concern to stakeholders and residents. A situation some described as very worrying. The newly constructed facility is equipped with modern amenities aimed at providing convenience and hygiene to users. With 20 toilets and accompanying 20 bathing facilities, it is expected to cater to the needs of both travelers and locals frequenting the border VIP station. In his address, the MCE for Ketu South, Maswa Lugudo, highlighted the collaborative efforts that led to the realization of the project and urged residents to take adequate care of the facility. He has been speaking with Joy News.
You know, this is Aflao border, a very big place. We can't wait till people start defecating all over. When you go to the beaches now, because there is no place of convenience, people are doing whatever they want to do at the beaches. Sometimes you go for jogging, you come back with another kambu. So I want to stop everybody from defecating at the beach. But if you don't make a provision, I think you will just waste your time. So from today, we are going to stop people from going to the beach side, strictly, very strictly, because there is a place now that you can go. As you can see, it's a very big project, about 20-seater toilet and a 20 places that you can bath. They have a place for Muslims who are traveling. You can come wash your hand and foot and pray. There's a place. And our mothers who travel from Kumasi, they want a place to bath. When you are tired from the car, they want a place to go and urinate. There's provision for all those things. We're going to make sure we provide security because as a MUSEC chairman, I've been having a lot of complaints that when the passengers or the visitor comes like that, some of the places when they go, the bad boys that attack them and take their money from them. So strictly, we are going to make sure this place is safe, that you can come and bath whatever you want to do to prepare yourself for your journey again.
The commissioning of the toilet facility comes at a crucial time when concerns over sanitation and hygiene have been heightened due to the ongoing public health challenges. Residents expressed their appreciation for the initiative, noting its significance in promoting public health and well-being. Some of them has been speaking with Joy News.
That one in open is very nice. It helps. For people to be thief boys to be plenty. If you do like this, it's very nice for traders and others. It's very good. So I can say, okay, this work. The money to boys in this can be a boson, fake, a tenny, and this animal of course for one. And my idea, Monto, yes, I hear bamboo. A police baby boy, a contufono, a boy, there be a junk of physical.
Now they open the toilet, but we don't know the price of the toilet. Maybe we are customer, they will come up to a VIP station and book a bookman for a year. Now we know say they will open the toilet. How much they pay for bath and toilet? So after now we know maybe if it 10 3, 5 3, 20 3, we know. If my customer come, they open toilet for a year, bathroom here for a year. That's 23 or 33.
Togbi Vejesu of Aflao, who represented the paramount chief of Aflao, Togbiga Ajanugaga Amenya Fiti, has this to say in Everlove.
Abakomon pokwe akpedona Ghana jukwakata be odon kunyaji. Bida yame yole alamo yole station afia okpojijo gan les gaze yoba to the fiata. Yidia yaba assembly ajawagba yo chukpo yakoda shina station tower ochu gazele nchi akawo akpe gaza mololo yo agawe aga nyowiya yo jagbaba ji temple afia ochu tepe ya leji depo ya alolo gbanto after ba Aflao ngo yipo la Aflao traditional council amema the council akata kwedema ben mbagbo unyi no gava ga ko wi ato na ba MC bubuto aji la ba amaye onye Aflao to chan Aflao vie edo shire do ki ba Aflao to yen e de be awon ade nko da Aflao jukwa mama godo mo chimo agbagba jan le be do no kata ma aleba e be do no Aflao jukwa mje.
With the commissioning of the ultra-modern toilet facility, Aflao takes a significant stride towards addressing sanitation challenges and promoting public health within the Ketu South municipality. Ivy Setoji joined me.
Yo, eba ya komon popo ya abu ngodo de ya la Aflao ben comme Aflao traditional council bleu assembly akata Ghana kata ben comme le mautola bleu villa bleu babakola ben comme amen.